Hello, beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Shaneill. If you're not new, well, thank you for coming back. So, before I go any further, if you're new, please go ahead and consider subscribing and make sure your bell is turned on so you can always get notified every time I have a new video. And currently, for the rest of April, my plan is to upload every single day, except for the weekend. I don't usually do the weekend, except for this month. I'm doing two exceptions for weekend videos, okay? All right, so here we go. Here's the base box right here. We're gonna go ahead and jump into it. If you have not seen my Boxycharm premium box that I have already unboxed, I'll make sure I go ahead and leave it up in the card so you can go and check it out. So let's go ahead and dig in. So I'm just gonna be straight up honest with y'all and just, go straight to the point, okay? We just gonna go straight to it, okay? Number one, I already opened up the box, okay? I already opened up the box, and I did do this look with some contents in this box and with my other box. That video will go up later this week. So I'm not gonna say I was happy with the box, but I ain't gonna say that I was upset with the box. But I wasn't happy. So let's go ahead and jump into the baby right here. As you know, the theme for this month is Boxycharm Festival Vibes, as you can see. And I got version 18. Can you see that? Version 18. I hope you can. All right, version 18. So I'm just going to unfold it, put it right here so I can tell you what I got in this box, okay? All right, here. First thing I got from the box, that's in the box is right here. This is the Professional from Benefit. So this is it. Let's read the paper. Quickly minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin, okay? Now, I have used this product before in the past, but when I purchased it, it was like kind of clumpy and like it was breaking apart, and I didn't like it. So, I passed it down. With this one, I went ahead and tried it again, I actually like it this time because it's like hot off the shelf. It's like brand new. It's just like, Anyways, here is what the baby looks like. It looks just like this. And this retails for $32. The next item I was super excited to get because I really did want this kind. This item, maybe not the shade, but I really wanted this item and I really do like, because I'm wearing it today. I'm wearing it. It's gorgeous. As you can see, it's from the brand Iconic London. This is their Illuminator, and this is in the shade Original. This baby here retails for $41. Now, I'm gonna let you know now, you're not gonna catch me buying this full price. Ever. Okay, I won't say that. Probably so, for a different shade, but I really do like this, okay? I like it a lot. It is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. This concentrated liquid shimmer can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply used on its own for a super highlighted glow. Y'all, I think next time I'm gonna try this in my foundation. Okay, no, not my foundation. I'm crazy if I use it for my foundation, y'all. For a moisturizer, yes, I'll add it to my moisturizer. So, as you can see, this was the item I was super excited about, okay? Because I really wanted this baby. Here's everything else that came in the box. No eyeshadow palette, okay? No eyeshadow palette. I really wanted an eyeshadow palette, didn't get one. So I don't know what to say or do about that, okay? So anyways, let's continue. So the next item in my box right here are some makeup brushes from the brand Lavish. So there's some makeup brushes. There's a spoolie. Turn it this way. There you guys go. Now, I have not used these because I wanted to show them to you guys completely clean, but they look like really, really good detail brushes. This set here retails for $29.99. A must-have all-in-one cruelty-free makeup brush makeup brush collection that includes essential eye brushes you'll need to achieve an everyday or more dramatic look. So that's what these are. I ain't hating. We got some brushes that I don't gotta clean, so, well, I do gotta clean them, but they ain't dirty right now, so got some makeup brushes. And so the next item in my box was, I'm not happy about, but I'm not happy about it because I do have some already that my mom bought me for Christmas. This is the original makeup eraser. It erases all your makeup by just wetting the towel. That's it. So, and this is equivalent to 3,600 wipes, okay? 3,600 wipes. Now this baby here retails for $22. I'm pulling it out the box. Ooh, dang, it even smells new. I'm gonna make sure I wash this first. Ooh, wow, this is pretty. So this is what it looks like. This is the back. It's pretty big. So can't wait to play with this after I get it clean. Look, it even has the original makeup eraser on the tag. So that's nice. The last and final item that came in my box was a skincare product. Now, if you have seen my premium box, you basically know that the entire box, except for 2 items, is all skincare, okay? All skincare, which I'm not hating, but I would have liked an eyeshadow palette in that box too, okay? I'm just being honest. I don't know what's going on with Boxycharm, but I know a lot of people got a whole lot of skincare in their boxes, okay? And a whole lot of people aren't too happy about that. But it's skincare. I'm not hating on that. You gotta make sure your skin look good, especially during the time when we sitting in the house not doing nothing, okay? Okay, we all sit in the house not doing nothing. So we might as well just take some time out for ourselves and look good and take care of our skin, right? So, I'm not too hating. Now, this item here is from the brand Elemis. Now, we have received so many Elemis products in the past, and I have loved everything that I've tried from Elemis so far. Everything. And I'm sad to say, but now I'm actually going to have to replace those items because I don't got them no more, okay? Sadly. So this item from Elemis is the Superfood Cleansing Foam, and it looks just like this. This baby right here. This unique foaming cleanser is packed with nourishing superfoods to help calm and hydrate skin while lifting makeup, dirt, and grime. Okay. The soothing formula helps to comfort skin caused by dehydration and leaves skin with a fresh looking complexion. Well, that sounds delicious right there. That sounds very delicious. This right here retails for $32. So this is going to go in my skincare basket I have in my bathroom. And once I finish one cleanser, we're going to try this baby out too. Because you know what? You can't go wrong with cleansers, especially with all the makeup I put on my face. Can't go wrong with that. Did I tell you that it retails for $32? If I did, I'm sorry. If I didn't, well, there you go, $32. Oh, that is everything I received in my Boxycharm base box for the month of April. Got my opinions about the box, They ain't all good opinions. But yeah, so that is everything I received in my box for the month of April. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know what you guys got in your box, okay? Because I know my premium box, a lot of ladies will tell me what they got in their box, and they felt some kind of way, okay? And I tried my best to respond to everybody. I really did. Except for this one lady that got upset because I said Lord. And the only time she uses the word Lord is when she prays. I'm sorry, honey, if you felt that way. But I use Lord and Jesus Christ every day, okay? Not just when I pray. I talk to him every day. And I don't have to say those names just to pray, okay? I talk to him on a daily basis, and I ain't praying when I'm talking to him, okay? I'm just going to say that. Sorry, y'all. That's a little rant right now. That little message. I didn't respond to her, but if you want to go see her message, it's over there in the premium video box down below, comment section. I was like, you know, I don't got time to deal with that. I don't got time with that. You know, life's too short, and I'm happy, and that's how I'm gonna do it. That's how we're gonna leave it right there. And I just threw my box on the floor. Okay. So if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Please go ahead and share and like this video. And if you're new and you haven't yet subscribed, hi. I think you'll like it over here. Go ahead and subscribe. I won't bite. At least not you. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I just want to embrace your beauty, and I'll talk to you again later. Bye.